Hi, this is Vera Reddy, lecturer in computer science, Government Degree College, Sattupalli. Data types in C. Today topic is data types in C. Here, the data types are set of values that a variable might take and a set of operations that can be applied to those values. Data types can be classified shown here. The data types are primitive or basic data types, derived data types, user defined data types, valueless, void. Here the classification of data type. Here basic data types, the integer, character, floating and doubles are the basic data types. The derived data types are array, function and pointers. User defined data types are used in structure union, enumeration. The last one is void. C provides a standard minimal set of basic data types. Sometimes these are called primitive types. More complex data types can be built up from these basic types. C has 5 basic data types and they are character, keyword is used as char, integer, keyword is int, floating point, keyword is used as float, double is keyword is used as double, valueless keyword is used as void wide. Size of and range of different combinations of basic data types and modifiers are listed in the table. Here data type is character, the size is 8-bit, the range is -128 to 127. It is default as signed char. Unsigned char as same size 8, range is 0 to 255. The non signed char 8 -128 to 127 is called char. Integer (16-bit) 32,768 to 32,767. Signed integer. Unsigned integer 16 character 0 to 65535. Unsigned. Signed int 16-bit 32,768 to 32,767. Integer. Short int 16 -32,768 to 32,767. short signed short integer. Unsigned short integer 16-bit 0265535. Unsigned short. Next, signed short integer data type, it is 16-bit. The range is -32768 to 32767. Default type is short integer. Long integer data type is 32-bit. The value is -214768 48 36482 214748 3647. The range. Default type is long integer. Signed long integer data type, default size is 32. The range is 0 to 4294967295. Unsigned long. The signed long integer size 32. The range is -2147 483648 to 2147 483647. This is a long integer, signed long and long. Float 32. This is 3.4e minus 38 to 3.4e plus 38, none. This is default type is none. Double 64-bit, the range is 1.7e minus 1.7e to minus 308 to 1.7e plus 308, none. Long double, here the size is 80-bit. The range is 3.4e minus 4932 to 1.1e plus 4932. The default type is none. These are all the size and range default combination of the data types. Next one is the derived data type. Basic data type is completed. The next one is the derived data type. Derived data types are derived from the standard basic data type. C has 3 derived data types. They are as follows. The derived from other data type, that is standard data type, is 3: array, function and pointer. An array is a collection of similar data type that are stored under a common name. A value in an array is defined by index or subscript enclosed in brackets with array name. A function, next one is the function. A function is a set of statements that take input, do some specific computations and procedure outputs. The third one is the pointer, is a variable which contains the address of the another variable. It is an important and powerful feature of C language. Next one is the user defined data types. The data types which are defined the user called as user defined data types. Structure union enum. A structure contains one or more data items or defined data type. Here, a structure contains one or more data items of different data types in which the individual elements can differ in type. A union is a special data type available in C that allows to store different data types in the same memory location. enum enumerations is user defined data type. C. It is mainly used to assign names to integral constraint. The names make it program easy to read and maintain. Next one is the variables. C variables is named location in a memory where the programs can be manipulated the data. This location is used to hold the values of the variable. The values of the C variable may got change in the program. C variable might be belonging to any of the data type like int, float, char, like that. Role of naming C variables. Variable name must begin with letter or underscore. Variables are case sensitive. They can be constructed with digits and letters. No special symbols, commas, backspace are not allowed other than underscore. The variable declaration here, after assigning suitable variable names, we must declare them in a program, and this declaration tells the compiler that the variable name and type of the data that the variable will hold. Syntax: data type variable name. Int subject 1 marks, float average, char name. Variable initialization. Memory space is not allocated for a variable which declaration. It happens only on variable definition. Variable initialization means assigning a value to the variable. Syntax: data type variable name is equal to value. Is the example here. Int a is equal to 10, float average 75.23. Example here, the variable declaration int a comma b int c float f. Actual initialization a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to a plus b. Printf value c. Float f is equal to 70.0 by 3.0. Printf. The scope of variables. The scope of variables implies the availability of variables within the program. Variables have two types of scope declaration described below. There are two types of variables: local variables and global variables. Here, the variables which are defined inside the function block are inside the compound statement of function subprograms called as local variables. The local variables first take the include std.io.h, include io.h, int main, int m is equal to 22, n is equal to 44. The m comma n are local variables of the main function. M and n variables are having scope with this main function only. Printf n value m is equal to percentage %d and n is equal to percentage %d m comma n. Return value. Output value m is equal to 22 and n is equal to 44. Here they are declared as the local variable. The next one is the global variable. The scope of global variable will be throughout the program. This variable can be accessed from anywhere in the program. This variable is defined outside of the main function, so that this variable is visible to the main function and all other subfunctions. The global variables is used in anywhere of the program. The local variables used only within the function main, within the compound. The global variables accessed from anywhere in the program, defined outside of the main function. It defined outside of the main function. Here include htdoc, include new.h, void test. Here declaration of m is equal to 22, n is equal to 44, a is equal to 50, b is equal to 80, int main. Printf, all variables are accessed from main function. Printf, n values is equal to m percentage, these are the printf. Then text, void test. Printf, all variables are accessed from test function. Here we have two functions. All variables are output. You may see here values are m is equal to 22, n is equal to 44, and a is equal to 50 and 80. The global variables are accessed from the main function and function also. Here constants in the variables whose value cannot be changed during the execution of the program are called as the constant. See, constants are also like normal variables, but only difference is their values cannot be modified by the program once they are defined. Constants refer to fixed value. They are also called as literals. Constants may be belonging to the data type, any of the data type. Constant data type, variable name is equal to value. Example, constant float, PA is equal to 3.14. The C language constant can be classified as follows: constant, number and character, integer and real, character and string. Here numeric constants, integer constant. An integer constant referred to as the sequence of digits. The rules: an integer constant must have at least one digit. It must not have a decimal point. It can either be positive or negative, or minus value or plus value. Not having a decimal point. 0.00 is not allowed. No commas or blanks are allowed within the integer constant. The value is negative or positive. The minus value or plus value is also allowed. No sign precedes an integer constant assumed to be positive. The available range for integer constant is minus 32,768 to minus 32,767. Example, constant int total is equal to 100, constant int mass is equal to 67. This is rules of integer constant. Next, real constant. Here real constant is made up to a sequence of numeric digits with presence of a decimal part. Real constant serves a good purpose of represent quantities that vary continuously, such as distance, height, temperature, like that. The rules: the real count must have at least one digit, it must have decimal point, it should be either positive or negative value, no sign, no commas and blocks within the real constant. The example is 23.60, float point, height is equal to 5.7 height, distance. Next one is the character constant. The character constant contains a single character enclosed within the pair of single inverted commas, both ending of the left. A character constant is a single alphabet, a single digit or single special symbol enclosed with a single quotes. A minimum length of a character constant is one character, like K, U, 6 and dollar symbol, like that, underscore. Example: constant char A and dollar symbol within the single quote. String constant. A string constant is a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes. The characters may be letters, special characters, blank space, etc. For example, constant char college, constant year. Operators. Operators are the symbols that are used to perform certain operations in the data. C programming language provides a variety of operators. Different type of operators in C are as follows. The operators are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operators, bitwise operators, special operators. Here, first one is the arithmetic operators. Before going to the operators, once again you see the data types here. We have a number of data types here. The data types are already we seen the basic data types, derived data types, user defined data types, void. Here the basic data types, we have a list, character, integer, float, double, and valueless is the void. Here we have data types and sizes. May see once again the data types and sizes here. Here we have derived data type. In this derived data type we have arrays, functions and pointers. In arrays, collection of similar data type. The functions set of statements take inputs some specific computations. Pointers is the variable which is contain the address of the another variable. User defined data types. This is the derived data types and then user defined data types. Here the user defined data types, the structures, unions and enum. A structure contains a one or more data items of different data types in which the individual elements can differ in type. Unions. A union is a special data type available in C that allows to store different data types in a same memory location. The next, the variables. Variables name location memory where the program can be manipulated with the data type. The data types, like the rules of the naming the variables is variable name must begin with letters or underscores. Variables are case sensitive. You initialize a variable in global or declaration or local declaration. You must use the lowercase and uppercase. Each is a case sensitive. They can be constructed with digits and letters. Now special symbol allow variable declaration here we seen variable initialization data type variable name is equal to value and with a semicolon. We have an example integer a is equal to 10 int is a variable declaration data type a is a variable 10 is the size int is the data type a is the variable and the 10 is the size and here float is the data type average is the variable and that is equal the floating is the allows digits so 70.23 is the size. Example program here A and B comma C. The program is in initialization and others. Scope of a variables. We have two types of variables here. First one is local variable and second one is the global variable. Here what is the local variable and global variable? The local variable which is defined inside the function or flag inside the compound statement of function. Subprograms are called as local variables. The declaration of the local variable you see here within the function int main within the function int is equal to 22 and n is equal to 44. N and m are local variables on the main function. Within the main function it is used for main function only. Global function, global variables are variables it will be throughout the program. These variables can be accessed from anywhere in the program. The variables declared at the main function before main function. It will be visible to the main function and all over the subfunctions. Here we see the int main, the initialization already given the variables, global variables. The global variables is used in main function and subfunction also. Next, constants. The constant is the value cannot be changed during the execution of the program is called the constant. Constant data type variable name is equal to value. Constant float floating value. The constants are numeric constants and character constants. The numeric constants are integer constants and real constants, where constants are numeric and character. Here numerics are integer constants and real constants. Integer constants, the rules are integer constant must have at least one digit, and same as real constant also. It must have a decimal, it must not have a decimal point. Here real constant have a decimal point. It can either positive or negative. Same real constant also have the positive and negative value allows. And no commas or blanks to be allowed within the integer constant at the same as the real constant also. For example, for the real constant. Next one, the character constant. Character constant is a, here you see the character and string. Here character constant, a character constant contain a single character enclosed within the pair of single inverted commas, both pointer to the left. The single alphabet is added and symbol also allowed within the single quotes. Next one is the string constant. It is also, here we see the character constant is a single alphabet, a single digit or a single special symbol enclosed within the single quotes. The maximum length of character is one character only. Example for char is equal to, constant char is equal to, within the quotes A, B, C or anything. You may write it. String constant, a string constant is a special sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes. The characters may be letters, special characters and blank spaces are given. The example for the constant char is equal to college. Here we see in the constant also. This is the data types of the C language. This is a constant. This is example for the global variable. See here.